Window cleaning 101. You always want to wear a solid shirt just to make sure that you don't get anything on you. Make sure that you're presentable. Here we are. We got the dirty towel on this side. We also got a clean towel on this side. And those mean exactly what they say. You got a dirty towel that you wipe off after you squeegee the window, and you got a clean towel for the ledges. You see the motion? Straight down. We can do it side to side, or when you get really into it, you don't even have to pull your squeegee off of the window. You can just squeegee the whole window in one motion. Perfect. It's a perfect way to do it. Now you don't see any smudges, any smears anywhere. Let's check this window. We're doing exterior only, and I would say this window looks perfect.